Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I would like to discuss with you about Bitcoin. Since all of you guys knew that or have seen that Bitcoin had crashed in the last few days, the reason is due to Elon Musk. First, he said that Bitcoin, or I mean Tesla, will accept Bitcoin as a payment system, which means people who are buying or people who want to buy Tesla car, they can pay by Bitcoin. And then Bitcoin showed up. After that, he said that Tesla won't accept Bitcoin anymore. And then one news came from China that China is going to ban cryptocurrency. And that's why Bitcoin fall or crash. And so what shall we do now? Shall we invest or shall we wait? Guys, majority of us and most of the retail people, when the market crash, they are afraid to enter, they are afraid to invest. But you know what, big boys, they use this side of news, or they take advantage of this, because in market manipulation is always there, which means if retail lose money, then big boys will make money. So if there is no manipulation, or if there is no fall or no crash, or if the market is not going up, then who is going to make money, right? So that is why one side has to lose and the other side will win. So if both sides are winning, then there is no market at all. Examples, like suppose now there are only buyer in the market and no one is selling, so what do you think? Market will exist? I don't think so. So market, there should be a buyer as well as seller. So if seller are more active, then market will fall. If buyer are more active, then market will go up. And currently, I won't say that market, or I means the cryptocurrency market, especially Bitcoin, from this current rate will keep on falling. I don't see any weakness in crypto market that it will keep on falling, especially for long term. Yes, crash is always there. 50% to 60% is a normal correction in a crypto market. I can show you that. Yeah, Bitcoin has already fall more than 30-40%. 30%. Yeah, from the recent high, it's had falling more than 40%. Yes, 40%. And yeah, so currently now I have already entered in Bitcoin 20% of my capital. I did not enter all. I will wait first, let the dust settle first, and then I will enter some more, because currently market is highly volatile as for now. So market might hit your stop loss. So that's why don't enter huge amount of money, especially if you are a short-term traders or a short-term investors. If you are a long-term investor, then it's fine. But that is only in my opinion. So please do your own research and consult your own financial advisor before you put your hard-earned money, or before investing in any type of market, either cryptocurrency or either in stock market or in any type of market. So currently, as for now, I think for you guys to know that you should know the stage of market before you invest. Doesn't mean that if you see the market fall, or if you see the market it's keep on increasing up and going up and going up, you will invest. You should know the stage of the market. And we have four stage in the market. One is pessimism stage. In this stage is like after a fall, after a crash, then pessimism stage take place, which means the market is about to burn. And in this type of stage, big boys used to enter at least some of their capital. And once the pessimism stage is over, Then skepticism stage is there, and market started to grow in this stage, and accumulation in this stage also is going on, and lot of smart people, lot of smart investors, they will enter in this stage, in a growth stage. I mean, they this is the last stage that they enter. And then after skepticism stage, then pessimism stage is there. And in pessimism stage, which means the market is matured enough, and in this stage of stage, majority of the investors or majority of the smart people or majority of the big boys, they will ready to exit, or they will start selling their crypto or their share that they are holding. And but retail people, they invest or they jump into the market in this stage. They won't enter on this stage nor on this stage. They are afraid. They thought that market will keep on falling and falling and falling and falling from here. Because why? Because they saw this huge fall from here. So they thought that the market, after recovering a little bit, they thought that it will fall again. It will fall some more. But that will never be happen. And after this stage, after this pessimism stage, euphoria stage came. And in this stage, market is about to die. I had already warned everyone in my group, and I had told some of my friend. I had told I means like I have updated status in WhatsApp also, just to inform you guys. But this is not a financial advisory, or this is not tips. I just want to inform that based on my experience in crypto market or in stock market, based on my experience, because I have experienced this type many times. And I have already warned that we are in a euphoria stage right now. We are in a huge euphoria stage right now, which means market is about to die. I have already informed this from the last 1 month. Yeah, I think 1 month. In the month of April, March, I have already informed everyone that we are in a euphoria stage. So guys, be careful to entering in this stage. Especially to my student, I have warned them, don't enter right now. Don't be greedy. I have told them. And after that, what happened? The market on me, huge cries, huge crash. It's coming. And people who are entering on this stage, retail people, and those who are great, who are entering in this stage, now they are suffering huge losses. So this guys, you should know the stage of the market before you invest. Doesn't mean that you saw the market is going up, you will invest, or doesn't mean that you saw the market is falling and you will start selling. You should know the stage first. Try to understand. Please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money or invest your hard-earned money. And yeah, currently now we are not in, I mean, currently market is in pessimism stage right now. It's about to bottom. I don't expect much fall from here, but market will take time. It won't recover quickly. Remember that it won't recover quickly. It will take a lot of time. It will take. It might take 2 to 3 years. Remember that, to go up or to make a new all-time high. It might take lots of years. So guys, don't invest all your money. Please invest only what you can afford to lose in any type of market. Invest only 5,000 or 10,000. If you lose that money, I think you can afford that. But if you cannot afford that, then don't invest. Okay, and don't depend, or no, don't hope that once you invest, the market will start rising or going up quickly. It will take a lot of time. If you are a long-term trader, then go ahead, no problem. Because short-term because short-term liquidity is short-term volatility is there in the market, so you cannot escape that. But you have to be patient enough. And currently in altcoin, I won't say that you guys should invest in altcoin right now, because do you know what? If Bitcoin is going up, falling down, going up, falling down, going up, falling down, and so on like that, then altcoin market will go down. It will face a huge problem to go. I means to rising or to go up, and the reason is due to BTC dominance. So I cannot share the detail of BTC dominance because they are my hard work. So please do your own research. And if Bitcoin is falling down, then altcoin also will suffer. Only if Bitcoin is stable like this, is trading sideways and stable, then altcoin will go up. And if Bitcoin is going up so much, and if Bitcoin is pumping and going up, then obviously altcoin also will rise, will go up. So as for now, don't invest in altcoin. Let the dust settle first. After that, you can invest, but at least put a small amount of money. Don't invest all your portfolio or all your capital. At least 5% or yeah, 5% or maximum 10% you can invest. And yeah, that's it for today. And thank you guys. Good night.